So we're pretty much at the final stage of the Tekno EB410.2 build now, bolting on the final few pieces. So on we go with kit bag O. The main part of this bag is the rear wing. There's plenty of customizability with wing placement depending upon how much downforce you like to run with, but as with the rest of the build, we'll continue with a stock setup for now. You'll need a reamer to create some holes in the wing, the rear being the stock position. With that done, we can go ahead and feed a 14mm flathead screw through one of the two included wing mount washers, then through the wing itself, and then the short wing riser, before finally screwing into the wing mount directly on the buggy. Before tightening too far, repeat the same on the opposite side, and then tighten both screws down just so that they're snug. And that's it, wing installed. The next step is to install the battery mount. Simply hook one end into place, and lower down onto the threaded rod we installed earlier, before placing an O-ring onto the battery thumb screw, and screwing down onto the rod. We also have some wheel nuts in this bag, so we'll secure these to the buggy for now to keep them safe. And finally, we also receive some Velcro pads, which can be stuck on the 4 body panels already installed around the vehicle in order to help keep the body secure, even though we have some body mounts and clips too. Although of course before installing the body, you'll want to customize a little with a splash of paint. Otherwise, that's it. Tekno EB410.2 build complete. We do have a bag P, although this only contains optional parts such as a taller wing riser and another servo mount for taller servos, so it doesn't need installation unless you actually need them. As for the build, everything came together perfectly well, no issues whatsoever. Honestly, this was a really nice kit to build. I can't fault the construction process in any way. All that's left is for electronics to be mounted and set up, the body to be painted, and the wheels to be installed. But for now, that's our EB410.2 build complete. Whether you're a pro or a complete beginner to builds like this kit comes well recommended.